Random shuffle is a Python method that rearranges a list in a way where every element has an equal chance of ending up at a given index. Python's documentation says this method only works on lists, so you need to find a different method if you want to shuffle a different Python data type. Let's import random as R, have a list L with the numbers 1 through 3, and then assign back to L the result of shuffling it with the shuffle method. Except, that's wrong. Random shuffle always returns none because it modifies your list directly. It doesn't return a new list. What you've done right here is destroyed your list by assigning none to it. So change this to r.shuffleL. Now, if you print L, it will be shuffled. I mentioned at the start that every element has an equal chance of ending up at a given index. That's because it uses the Fisher-Yates shuffle algorithm. That algorithm guarantees the fair shuffle, as opposed to a naive approach where some arrangements of the list have a higher probability of showing up than others.